Hello, hello, hello! Magandang araw and welcome. Ako si Mystico Moreno, or in short, mismo. At dito sa aking channel, we will manifest love and light. Sa inyong Tagalog, love reading na mismo. Okay, so this is love message para sa lahat ng air signs. Okay, Gemini, Libra, Aquarius. Okay. And yeah, tingnan natin kung ano yung masasagot kong energy from the collective. So, bubunot ako ng dalawang cards from this deck. That will be the overall energy ng reading na to. So, sa lahat ng air signs na nakasubaybay, if mag-resonate itong reading, sana supportan nyo ang channel by liking this video, commenting below, lalo na kung sa end ay nag-resonate nga. At sa mga bago na nakasubaybay, kung nagko-connect kayo sa akin at sa readings ko, please subscribe para mas mag-grow pa yung channel ko at marami pang magawang readings para sa inyo. Okay. So, tumalon na siya before I even begin. So, I think this is the first card. So, shift your perception. Okay. Then, I'll get the second card. I'll juray pa rin naman ngayon for the second card. Okay. Keep going. Don't give up. Oh, nice. Alright. So, I think this reading ay para sa lahat ng air signs na nasa sitwasyon saan parang gusto niya nang give up sa relationship. Pero, parang sinasabi ng universe dito, wag kang basta-basta mag-give up. May reason kung ba't may mga current challenges kayo at the moment with your person. This is actually to teach you something, a valuable lesson or something that you will be able to bring in your life sa future. Pwedeng in the same relationship or for yourself. At also, sinasabi din dito ni universe na, normal sa isang relationship na may mga challenges, may obstacles, may issues. Okay? If this is something naman na hindi siya, I don't see here na parang there's a negative energy sa person in your life. I don't see him or her na someone toxic. Actually, I can sense here, given this message, na very loving and caring naman itong person ninyo. Pwedeng may iba kayo ng perspective kasi sa isang bagay. Kaya shift your perception. Pwedeng sa isang area ng relationship or maybe mayroong topic or concern or aspeto ng relationship na magkaiba kayo ng point of view. And not because na magkaiba kayo ng point of view doesn't mean na the relationship will not work anymore. Diba? Actually, it will help your relationship pa to grow, lalo na pag nakakuha kayo, na-resolve nyo to at nagkaroon kayo ng middle ground or may mga compromises kasi at adjustments talaga na gagawin sa isang relation. Especially kung bago yung relationship or even hindi na bago yung relationship. Every time may mga sumusupot na concerns or part ng relationship na kailangan kayong dalawang nagde-decide, tapos important na nag-usap kayo at nabibigay nyo yung both mga perspectives ninyo, point of views ninyo sa isang relationship. Pero kailangan hindi kayo parang sobrang rigid or nakaano lang kayo dun sa gusto niyo mangyari. So you have to see and shift your perception niya. Check nyo kung bakit ito yung point of view ng person niyo, bakit ito yung sinasuggest niya, bakit ito yung gusto niyang mangyari. Tingnan niyo. And I hope that same goes sa person niyo. Dapat siya, talagang mutual, something mutual. Hindi rin naman tama na siya lang, yung point of view lang din niya, yung na kailangan lagi nasusunod without even checking or asking or analyzing or understanding your point of view. Okay, pero don't give up. This relationship is, I can see here for air signs na this relationship is okay, and yung mga challenges will just help you be a better person and grow in this relationship. So, yeah. So, tingnan natin ano yung detalye nitong overall energy na to. Bakit ito yung lumabas. And gusto ko lang magpasalamat sa lahat ng air signs na patuloy na sumusuporta sa Mystic Moreno channel. Tumalala. Sobrang appreciated po ng suporta ninyo. And sana patuloy nyo pong suportahan by liking, commenting, and subscribing. And, right. So I'll get 4 cards from this nahulog yung isa. From this deck. And then 4 cards from the other deck. And yun, so 1 pair for the recent past, 1 pair for the present moment, 1 pair for the near future, and 1 pair for the hidden energy meron sa relationship. Okay, just to remind everyone that this is a collective and general love reading, so it may or may not resonate with all of you. Best to book a personal private reading, mas naka-align yun sa energy ninyo. Nasa description box lang naman yung email address ko. Okay? Alright. So again, July ngayon. So last day of July. So I still get the 7th card. Recent past, 3 of coins. Present moment, Queen of Wands. Okay, nice. Near future, the World. Okay, see? And hidden energy, Knight of Swords. Okay. Paired with 9 of Wands in recent past. King of Cups, present energy. Near future, the Hierophant. Okay. And Hanged Woman, the Knight of Swords. Okay. Pretty much talaga in-elaborate lang niya yung overall energy. Okay, simulan natin. So, in the recent past, there's 3 of coins and 9 of wands. Meron talaga na, issue lang dun sa collaboration. 3 of coins has this energy na kailangan nyo talaga mag-usap. You really have to work together, support each other. And siguro yun yung kulang in the recent past. Okay, and some more yung recent past energy ninyo, lalo na nakakabit siya with the 9 of wands. Okay, si 9 of wands medyo, parang medyo cautious kasi. Both kayo, cautious kayo. Siguro dahil alam niyo yung personalities ninyo, pwedeng for most of you, not all, for most of you, medyo strong both yung personalities ninyong dalawa na talagang minsan nahihirapan kayo to have a middle ground or nahihirapan kayo talaga mag-adjust sa point of view ng bawat isa. Okay? But it's really important in the relationship to support each other and have this collaborative effort. Kasi it will provide growth nga sa relationship. Yun yung kulang eh. May kulang. Kaya hindi, in the recent past, medyo hindi talaga nag-move forward yung relationship or hindi nag-grow dahil nga may ganitong balakid. And nakikita ko dito, mahal niyo isa't isa. Okay? Walang any cheating incident, walang manipulation, walang toxicity sa relationship. You're actually both okay. Medyo, ang nakikita ko talaga dito is may mga kanya-kanya kayong perspective sa isang bagay na ano nyo, may sense pa na parang ayaw nyo magpatalo. Okay? Sa mga gusto nyo mangyari. Parang, ayun, it it's not helping the relationship, di ba? Imbis na sabay kayo na nag-move forward dahil nga ito yung nakahanap kayo ng middle ground, hindi siya nangyari kasi parang yung isang person, ay hindi, ito yung gusto ko. Yung isa, ay ito yung gusto ko. Okay? And it's really important, guys, na lalo na kung kayo to, air sense kayo na nandito sa ganitong sitwasyon, it's really important to na sabay ninyong gagawin, sabay magtutulungan kayo para sa growth ng relationship. And at the present energy naman is getting better. I mean, okay naman yung present energy. There's I think magkakaroon ng or may mga realizations na rin dahil gusto niyo na ayaw niyo naman talaga na mag-separate dahil lang sa mga issues na to, and ayaw nyo rin hindi rin wala na rin kayong plano to really just give up on each other. Okay, kaya keep going, don't give up. Tama yan. And at the present energy, that's the energy with the Queen of Wands here. There's even a deeper connection na nangyayari na dahil nga nakikita ninyo na yung mga point of view ng isa't isa, and na may mga traits ang isa't isa at medyo nasisimulan nyo na matanggap na okay, ganito yung person ko, ganito ako sa person ko, but this is what we have to do dahil mahal namin na isa't isa at gusto namin mag-grow ang relationship. Ito yung mga gagawin namin. Tak, 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 tak. Okay? So, and here with the very stable naman yung feelings ninyo sa isa't isa, as shown here with the King of Cups, na there's a lot of security, emotional stability, and very loyal naman kay sa isa. Yun nga, kaya sabi ko kanina, wala naman ako nakikitang energy dito na may cheating or may mga manipulation na nangyayari or deception. So it's a good sign na at the moment, the present moment, na may mga realizations kayo, and now the relationship is going or moving on to that level na nagiging stable na siya, na secure na siya, and because gusto nyo rin naman talaga na maging maayos at ayaw mag-give up din sa isa't isa. Ayaw nyong talagang masira itong relationship. Okay? And moving forward, itong present energy will actually carry a positive energy in the near future with the World card here and the Hierophant. Ano nyo ba na it's World card is happiness, fulfillment, and contentment, and na parang natapos nyo na. Darating kayo sa point na parang okay, itong mga cycle na to, yung pagsubok, may mga issues, tapos realizations, darating talaga sa point na okay na, happy na kayo, okay na kayo, na-fulfill nyo na yung kailangan i-fulfill sa relationship, kasi nga, na-resolve nyo na yung mga kailangan i-resolve dahil you decided to really work together and see each other's point of view sa aspeto, kung ano man yun, kayo lang din nakakaalam sa situation na meron kayo ngayon. And with the Hierophant card attached to the World, there will be more commitment here in the relationship, and even magle-level up pa. Nakikita ko dito na after this, dahil stable na yung relationship, mas magle-level up pa yung relationship ninyo. Pwedeng may panibagong milestone, pwedeng if you're at this relationship na dating kayo or fresh sa committed relationship, pwedeng mag-proceed to the next level. For some, mga magiging long-term relationship. Yung mga in long-term relationship na, it may lead to engagement or marriage. And if you're married, you even have a happy family with kids and other mga relationship goals na mag-materialize. Okay, very good, very happy itong energy na to. Kaya good thing you don't give up, just always see yung perspective ng bawat isa. So And here yung Knight of Swords as hidden energy and the Hanged Woman. Yeah, may hidden energy lang talaga na minsan parang wala kayong action na ginagawa. And I think it's in the recent past energy na medyo nadala sa present na minsan parang um, alam naman namin na mahal namin isa't isa, kaya okay lang to. Parang may ganung energy na minsan nagli-lead sa no action. Pero here with the Knight of Swords, may mga yung mga decision kayo din, medyo sa relationship, either you or your person, may pagka-impulsive. Alam mo yun, kaya din siguro yun yung nagiging cause ng hindi aligned or mga hindi kayo makahanap ng middle ground kasi meron sa inyo or pwedeng both of you are quite impulsive or may mga decision or may mga ginagawa kayo within the relationship na hindi pinag-iisipang mabuti. So parang, tas hindi dahil hindi nyo pinag-iisipang mabuti, tas wala kayong ginagawa to resolve it, kaya napepending yung growth, which is supposedly ito yung mangyayari in the near future. Ayan, so sana nakatulong itong reading na to. Very good naman ang reading for the air signs. Always use my reading with discernment. Hawak niyo pa rin ang inyong kapalaran. We all have free will and use it wisely. So sana nabigyan ko kayo ng insights and guidance sa current situation niyo. Okay? So kita kasi na lang muli sa susunod ko pang love reading. Ako si Mystico Moreno, or in short, Mismo. Ingat!